Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert, February 20th, 2020. 2020, huh? Oh, that's pretty cool. Well, actually, it's 02202020. Yeah. Anyway, here we are in the garden house because I did a round trip to Orange County today, so I didn't get much done. And on the way back, I got stuck in traffic on the freeway. There was some kind of an accident or something, and a bunch of military trucks on the side, and cars pulled over, and fire trucks and ambulances and all that kind of stuff. And they were all on the other side of the guardrail. So I'm not a looky-loo when I'm driving. I pay attention to what's in front of me. And while everybody else was at a standstill trying to see if they can see something gory, I slipped past them all, and I had a clear freeway past that. After that, I just came right up. But I got up here and got my things together, and I just came in here because it's looking like things needed a little bit of water. So I threw some water around the plants and keeping them happy and healthy. And yeah, I still got some buds coming out everywhere. Some nice ones on the peach tree here. Some beautiful pink ones. So we'll see if I can get some peaches this year. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. I already checked on the birds. Brewster the rooster and his Nelly bell were doing just fine. And they came out to see me. They missed me for a whole day. I gave them some fresh scratch a little while ago, and they're eating and hunkering down because, yeah, the wind's blowing again. Bet you couldn't guess that the wind was blowing. Nobody would have been able to guess that, right? All right. So while I was down in the OC, I picked up some goat juice for my neighbor who gave me those birds. And she wants to get some of her plants started too, seeing that I've gotten mine all going. And I also visited my sick friend while I was down there, and talked with his friends and relatives. And I don't know what's going to happen there, but my thoughts are with him. My best wishes. Everything turns out okay. So it's starting to chill down a little bit here. The sun has set, and here there's a forecast for rain this weekend. So we'll see what happens with that. Maybe I'll catch some more rain and fill these totes back up again. But all these barrels are full right to the top, so I've got plenty of water to go for quite a while. But I'd sure like to fill those totes back up again before the summer sets in, and have all that irrigation water ready for my plants. They sure love rainwater. And the reason for that is rainwater is perfect pH at 6.8. And it carries all the proper trace nutrients, trace elements and nutrients that you would ever want for water for plants. So makes them real happy. And I was inside a little while ago. Yeah, grapevines got taller just in a day's time here. And the pear tree is starting to bloom out. That'll be a shade tree pretty soon. All my plants are growing really well. Everything's popped up. And one of the that little seed that I propagated from the tangelo tree, from my friend Bill's tangelo tree, it's about 1/4 of an inch tall now. He likes the go juice. We'll see how that all works out. And my raspberry, my red raspberry, the sprout on that's probably about 2.5 inches long now. A bunch of leaves coming out of it, so that one's happy too. So I just wanted to touch base with everybody, let you know, because I didn't post yesterday. The winds have been hunkering me down a little bit, but we'll get things going tomorrow. Let me see if my neighbor comes around to pick her stuff up, and if not, then maybe I'll run it up to them if I get a chance. I don't know. I got to get some work done around here. The weather's going to be changing pretty soon. I want to have everything done so I can have some fun this year. Maybe do some prospecting. Maybe do some gold mining. Gold. Not black gold, not Texas tea. Gold. All right. So that's about all I have for today, everybody. As a reminder, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down there, like my videos, and don't forget to leave a comment or questions below if you have any, and I'll be glad to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm usually pretty punctual on getting back to people. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Subscriptions are up. If you notice, I've gone over 2,800 now. I got a couple of new ones just in the past couple of days. So welcome aboard, everybody. And this is G Bear signing off.